Hello, this is a program I've made recently. You can fly around in 3 dimensions and break and place blocks. The thing to note here is that I've done pretty much everything myself. So I made an algorithm to draw the quadrilaterals on these cubes here. The sides are actually quite surprisingly difficult to draw correctly when you're just drawing little points everywhere instead of telling the graphics card to do it. And also I wrote the 3D rendering algorithm without help from OpenGL, for example. I just sort of took the points and made a function that gave you the points in 2D with perspective. And for the libraries, I only used SDL2 main and then C maths for things like sine and cos. And then I have to admit I was a bit lazy and used std abs and std min and max, I think, in some places. So there are some things that were stupidly difficult compared to what you might think. So just looking at the crosshair, seeing whether it's on this square here or this square here, it seems quite difficult, and I had to sit down with lots of sheets of paper and do a lot of geometric problem solving. Overall, I'm quite proud of it. It works quite well. You can see the blocks form properly. There are gaps between them, but other than that, I think it's okay. There are performance issues, I suppose, from drawing all this stuff myself instead of using hardware, because you should draw polygons with hardware, don't draw it with software. That just leads you to frame issues, like I'm having right here, and then the mouse stops working because it's too laggy, so I have to use the arrow keys to look around, as you'll probably hear on the microphone. Yeah, don't use software for this. I just did it to see if I could do it and to see if it would work. It does, and yeah, don't. That's it for that.